Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with the Glam Elegant Living Society collab, and we will be doing some spring decor ideas I have here to share with you. And this collab is hosted by Really Good Living, and the co-hosts are I Style My Style, Antoinette Decorating, and myself, Petalisbless. So here are the items that I'm using for our first DIY. Okay, I have this vase here from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this material here that I got from Beebeecraft. And I'm just going to be using some hot glue and glue the strip going right around our vase. Now I will have a link to the playlist for our collab down in the description box, and all of the other co-hosts and stuff, I'll have a link to their channels so you guys can go over and subscribe and watch their videos too, and what they're doing for our Glam Elegant Living Society collab Spring and Easter edition for 2022. And if this is your first time clicking onto my channel, I would like to say welcome. And I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll get notified every time I upload another DIY. And I hope if you like today's collab, you give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so now we've been around the jar a few times. We are going to take our strip and go down the side of our jar to the bottom, and then we'll go around the bottom part just like we did the top. And I'm just using some hot glue. You could use some E6000 or any kind of permanent glue that you would like to glue down your decor with. And this is our first jar. I'm going to do another jar the exact same way as this one. And now I'm just going to take our bottom piece, use some E6000 and glue them together. Okay, for our second jar, I'm going to use some of these studs that I got from Micheals craft store. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them just going everywhere around the jar. And here is our finished look. I love how they turned out, a nice, clean, and elegant candle holders. I think they look absolutely lovely. A lovely piece of spring decor for your coffee table. I love how they look. They look very nice. And here they are with 2 candles inside. They look glam and elegant. A lovely piece of spring refresh for 2022. Leave me a comment down below and tell me if you like how they look, how they're styled on the coffee table. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Now on to DIY number 2. These are the items that we'll be using. Okay, we're gonna start using some of this silver acrylic paint, and I'll just be painting these little round foam balls that we have here. I was gonna paint 2, but I think I'm just gonna paint 1. Okay, so now our little foam circle is dry. I'm going to use some of this Glam Bling wrap here that I got from Beebeecraft. And I cut it into strips. I'm just going to be using some hot glue. And we're going to go going right around our foam circle. Now it's time to decorate our vase, which I got this vase from Ikea, you guys. It's very nice. And I'll be using some of this glam strip here from Beebeecraft with the self-adhesive sticker on the back. I tell you guys, I'm in love with the self-adhesive bling. Makes the work so much easier. So I just cut it into strips and I'm gonna just lay them going up and down our vase. Okay, this pattern has 2 strips. And now I'll be laying down single strips going around the vase. Okay, now our strips are all down. I'll be using some of this blue bling wrap here, again from Beebeecraft, with the self-adhesive sticker, and we're just going to be laying them going around our vase. Okay, now that our jar is all done, we have our circle here. And I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it to the center of our vase. Next, I'll be using some of my favorite gem in the blue from Totally Dazzled. Yes, I love that she has the colored gems. They're so nice to go with whatever your decor colors are. And here is our finished look. I think it makes a glam and elegant spring decor. I love it. I really like how it turned out. And here we go with some flowers inside. I think it looks beautiful on the coffee table. A nice glam and elegant spring refresh decor idea for 2022. I love how it looks on the coffee table with the flowers in it. Or you could use it by itself as a statement piece alone. I think it looks very nice. It will brighten up your home for the spring. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our vase. Would you use it with or without the flowers? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Alright everyone, I hope I have inspired you with 2 more glam and elegant decor ideas that you could refresh for this spring. And I will leave the link down below to the collab for you guys to go over and check out what everyone has done for our spring edition of our Glam Elegant and Living Society. And I'd like to thank everyone for coming on and seeing the collab that I had to share with you today. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you do hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.